What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha if you guys are new here. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, we are doing a Sunday reset. I actually made a list of the things that I want to do. So I already got my first task done, which is wash bedding. And then I do want to like tidy my room. I have like a lot of clothes on the floor. Well, not a lot of clothes actually. It's just literally like an outfit or two in the corner. I need to like wipe the surfaces, my computer desk. I have like water bottles there. You guys saw my island. I have like a bunch of random stuff on it. I don't know if you guys are the same way. I just like literally put everything on it when I get home. I went shopping, so I had like this thing. I had a package here, some more empty water bottles, which I actually don't need to buy anymore because they're so wasteful, which actually brings us to today's sponsor. So today's video is sponsored by Waterdrop. I have my new Waterdrop filter here. It is a portable filter, you guys. Literally so small, it fits right in your fridge. I do want to go grocery shopping today, so I might actually fiddle around with it, but this is super portable. Like, you can literally fit it in the fridge. You can bring it to your room, you can bring it to the living room, you can take it on a picnic. I think this is so convenient, especially in the summertime or if you're going camping or something. And this is super affordable, you guys. I believe it's like $50, if not less. Let me show you guys how this works. So I just put it here. If you guys see the cord in the back, that's actually the charging port. On this side here, it has a little input here. So you can put it in there, let it charge. You guys can see it's charging because it's blinking. But one charge can last 30 days, which is amazing. It's like super easy to use. You take this lid off here and then you just pour your tap water into here. And then in this container here, there's actually a filter in here, and that's the filter here. And then you put it onto the filter and it should start filtering the water as it comes through the filter. You just put your glass here and your water will just start coming out from the bottom. You just press on this water drop. So when you guys notice the dropper turns red, that just means you need to replace the filter. And then you press it again and water will start coming out. Just like so. Now I don't need to keep getting water bottles because honestly it takes up a lot of my recycling, and then I end up having to take this down to the recycling bin like literally every other day, and it's just been like, obviously I don't want to do that every other day. This actually comes in a blue or a white, and I prefer the white obviously because I like the clean kitchen look. I think this is definitely something you guys should look into. It's small apartment friendly. It literally fits in your fridge and you literally get your water in like a second. So make sure to check out the link down below. I'll have everything linked there for you guys, and thank you so much to Waterdrop for sponsoring today's video. So back to my list. Like I said, I want to tidy the kitchen. I do have some dishes that I left from yesterday, and then I do want to wash my bathroom mats just because they get hair on them and they just get like, I feel like I have to clean those like constantly. So I'm gonna put those in the washer, and then in the bathroom obviously wipe counters, organize the products a little bit, and clean my toilet. And then today, like I said, I do want to go grocery shopping, so I do want to stock up my fridge. My fridge has been looking crazy. I don't even want to show what's inside there. And I need some fresh flowers in here, you guys. I really don't want to get rid of this bouquet, but it's time. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like they're dying. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I want to do. I want to meal prep as well. Hopefully we can do that. I want to clean the floors, I want to shower, and then obviously I need to make my bed, and I do want to do a little bit of self-care. But yeah, make yourself a list, you guys, and start marking off all the tasks that you've done, and it'll just keep you on the go and accountable for what you have to do for your reset or for your daily tasks. Oh my gosh, you guys, and then I forgot. Should I go today? I forgot I broke my toenail. You guys, I literally broke my toenail. So I'm like, damn, should I go and fix that today? So first things first, we're gonna change the laundry because I have to change it. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long. So I'm about to do whites, but I forgot. You need to clean your towels. I clean my towels every other day, so gotta grab these towels and clean them. This is for stains. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start tidying up my place and just getting it back in order. So let's go ahead and do that. want to quickly open up what I got. So I got some new polishes from Nail Reserve. Ooh, I got some fall colors here. So I got 8 colors. This is Ravishly Naked, Paris Phone, Rose Petal, Walk in the Woods, Italian Latte, Electric Rose, Caramel, and then I did get some like bright colors. This is Ice Mint and Electric Rose, which are really pretty. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done. I just have to make my bed once everything's done cleaning, but I just made some ramen noodles. This is the mi goreng, and then I always fry my eggs with that, and then I put some green onions, but so good. I'm about to eat this. Chill out for a second, and then I'll probably make my bed and then head out because I need to go grocery shopping. So I just took a huge break. I actually switched my sweater into this white one because I'm about to make my bed and I just felt really dusty and dirty with the other sweater. So let's go ahead and make my bed, and then I'm gonna head to the grocery store, but I'm gonna make a list before we go. And yeah, so. All right, you guys, I'm about to make my grocery list, but before I do that, I want to quickly check off everything that I've done so far on my to-do list. That's everything I checked off, so let's go ahead and do the grocery list. All right, you guys, I finished the grocery list and now I'm gonna hurry up and go to the grocery store. I'm gonna go ahead and bring my trolley. This will help when we're in the grocery store and then bringing everything back.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is, we'll never know. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around, find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one.
This trolley is literally so convenient, you guys. I got it from Staples, and I think I said that in a video, but maybe I didn't, because a lot of people ask where it is from. So I don't know if you guys have a Staples where you're from. It's like a office supply store. It only comes with like 2 wheels, which I wish it came with 4. But honestly, it does what it needs to do, and it helps me out so much. So I've actually seen a few people in my apartment using something like this, so it's really handy, especially when you live alone. I'm gonna go ahead and put these groceries away, and then we'll go ahead and cut up these flowers and put them in the vases. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I found this pumpkin spice latte. It's cold, and I love my cold coffees, but I did end up getting some hot coffee. I'm gonna start using my Keurig again. We're getting into the cold weather, so I should start drinking hot coffee. All right, guys, I'm about to do the flowers now, and then we'll start on dinner.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like months. Life move fast when you do what you want.
My new black Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I'm loving how these flowers turned out. The big bouquet was kind of hard to do. But anyways, I'm about to make dinner. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it. I probably won't film a lot for you guys just because I've made this dish like so many times. It's just my chicken stir fry. So I'm gonna cut up some chicken, make that, and then add some veggies, and I'm gonna have white rice with it. And then I should have some leftovers so that I can pack it for the week, or like a couple days. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, and then I'm probably gonna just like chill. I've been watching Love is Blind, so I'm gonna watch Love is Blind tonight, maybe do like a little mask or something before bed. But that's pretty much what I have left to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner, and I'll get back to you guys.
you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run on the side.
All right, you guys, I just had a shower. So I honestly should have had a shower before I started cooking, but I was just so like wanting to get it done. So I made some white rice. I just was like mixing it up. And then this is the stir fry here. So looking so yummy. I'm just ready to eat.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
I was just on my computer for a little bit and I'm actually feeling so exhausted, but I think I'm gonna finish this video off with having a bath. So I'm gonna go run myself a bath, put some candles out, add some Epsom salt, maybe a bath bomb, and just relax for the rest of the night. So that's pretty much the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more reset videos from me, then make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Can you focus on me?